Stanford has over 8,000 acres of land. We're in 7 different governmental jurisdictions. We manage all of our own energy, water, waste, and transportation systems. It's really an amazing classroom for students to learn right where they live.
The Sustain 219 Living Lab for Sustainability course does field trips each week where we get to learn about campus operations in many different ways. And we also get to meet with sustainability experts.
We had a great biking tour around Palo Alto, starting at the Caltrain station. It was just a great opportunity to shed light on different modes of transportation, alternatives to driving, as well as the different resources that are on campus.
Jasper Ridge is a biological preserve that's run by Stanford and is closed for research. Most of our irrigation water for the campus comes from those reservoirs in that system.
It was so insightful to see all the dams and reservoirs around campus and also just appreciating the nature aspect.
The trip to Green Waste was particularly cool. You get to see the interplay between actual data, but also the behavioral side of sustainability, the different choices that students can make to increase diversion from landfills.
The Green Waste Recovery Facility is where Stanford takes all of its recycling material. When students actually go to that facility and see the amazing technologies, the amazing AI innovation, the robots that are sorting all of this material, how it works, how clean it is, they really start to believe in the recycling system and being a part of it.
For today's class, we're here at the Stanford Educational Farm as part of our Food Systems and Procurement Week.
It's really cool to see all the different plant species that we have in the farm and the fact that it also goes back into the dining halls.
A portion of the food that is produced at the O'Donoghue family farm is actually used within Stanford catering and within residential and dining enterprises in the dining halls. We actually are utilizing the food grown here into the food system on campus, which is a really beautiful thing. I love launching these students from all of these academic backgrounds into future careers where they're thinking about sustainability, how it applies to them professionally and how it applies to them personally in their lives.